Hello everyone, very good afternoon. Myself Shiraz Grover, your mathematics tutor bache, and today we will discuss question number 6, that is the last question of exercise 6.2 NCERT mathematics. Bache, question number 6 is based on laws of reflection. It's a science topic and hope in the 8th class you have discussed it well. Let me again clarify you about the topic. Bache, we represent a plane mirror in the form of this. These oblique lines represent polished surface and this side represents reflecting surface. Any light that is incident on this surface is called incident ray, and this point is known as point of incidence. Okay, the line perpendicular to this point is called normal, and after striking to this mirror it reflects in the same medium. This is known as reflected ray. Bache, the angle made by incident ray with this normal, this one, is known as angle of incidence, and the angle made by reflected ray with normal, this much angle, is known as angle of reflection. And according to laws of reflection, angle of incidence is always equals to angle of reflection. This property we will discuss in this question. Okay, and one more thing bache, please listen very carefully that these two are parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines are represented by putting arrow on these lines. What is the definition of a parallel line? A parallel line means the lines whose perpendicular distance remains same throughout whenever they are produced infinitely to any direction. Okay, like they have a perpendicular distance between them of 10 meter over here, then it would be of 10 meter over here also. Okay, it would never change whenever they are produced infinitely to any of the direction. Okay, now bache, this property also we will discuss in this question. Let me make you clarify about the question. Okay, in this question we are given two plane mirrors that are placed parallel to each other. One has reflecting portion through this side and other has a reflecting portion through this side. Okay, one has given name PQ and other one has given name RS. Okay, a ray AB is being incident over it, it goes reflected to point C and then again reflection takes place. Okay, and in the question they are saying us to prove AB is parallel to CD. Okay, what is given in the question? It is given to us that PQ, the mirror, is parallel to RS. Okay, then but what we will do? See bache, this point B is point of incidence, and I have told you that normal is the line which is perpendicular to the mirror at the point of incidence. Okay, so this will be the angle of incidence, angle made by incident ray with normal, and this will be the angle of reflection, angle made by reflected ray with normal. And according to laws of reflection they both are equal, so I can put x to these angles because they are equal. Similarly, point C is the point of incidence. BC is incidenting on this mirror at point C. So a normal can be drawn and this angle would be angle of incidence and this angle would be angle of reflection. and according to laws of reflection, incidence angle and reflection angle both are equal. Therefore we can name these two angles as y. Okay, it's clear. Now just think that I am to prove that AB is parallel to CD and they are forming Z if I will make these two angles equal. See angle ABC. ABC is 2x and angle BCD is 2y. And if I would just make 2x equal to 2y, then my question will be clear. I will say that they both are making alternate pair of angles, hence these lines are parallel. So my prior concern is that I have to prove 2x equal to 2y. I have to prove 2x equal to 2y. That is, I have to prove x equal to y. And just see, I have told you before doing this question that perpendicular distance between these two parallel lines would always remain same, and normal is a line which is perpendicular to it. It's also normal, it is also perpendicular to it, both are same, and just see, they lie between two parallel lines. They both are perpendicular to it, therefore they both will be parallel. Why? Because this 90 plus this 90, both sum is equals to 180 degree, and they are making a pair of co-interior angles. Okay, so that's why I would say this is parallel to this. Okay, let us name them x and y. So I can say that by this property of co-interior angles, bx is parallel to cy. Okay, bx is parallel to cy, and just see that bx is making an alternate pair of angle with cy. bx is making an alternate pair of angle with cy, that is x equals to y. Okay bachche, now x equals to y, then twice of x would be equals to twice of y. Twice of x is what? It's angle ABC, and twice of y is what? It's angle BCD. Now these two angles are equal, they are making a pair of alternate angles. Hence, I would say AB is parallel to CD. Hopefully it's very clear to you. Thank you everyone.